In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate EtherScan effectively to explore Ethereum wallet details thoroughly and with ease. Whether you're checking up on your own cryptocurrency wallet or just curious about another transaction on the blockchain, EtherScan provides a wealth of information, and I'm here to guide you through the basics of using this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to visit etherscan.io. This is the primary portal where all Ethereum network transactions are recorded and made publicly available. Imagine it as a search engine, but instead of searching the internet, you're searching the Ethereum blockchain. Once you're on the EtherScan homepage, you'll immediately spot a search bar. This is where all your searches will begin. Next, let's jump right into searching for a specific wallet or transaction. All you need is an Ethereum address or a transaction hash, and you can paste it directly into the search bar. This action will direct you to a detailed page full of information about the address or the specific transaction you are interested in. It's like looking under the hood of a car, giving you insights into what's happening behind the scenes. Upon reaching the search results page, you'll first notice the wallet overview. Here, you can check out the current Ether balance of the wallet you searched, alongside its total value. You'll also see a list of recent transactions involving that wallet. This overview gives a quick glimpse into the financial activity associated with the address, providing context about the owner's likely engagement with the Ethereum network. Don't forget to scroll a bit further down to the section labeled Token Holdings. This is where things get interesting. This area displays any ERC20 tokens or any non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that the wallet possesses. It's a great way to discover additional assets that are associated with the wallet beyond just Ether. Delving into this section is helpful for getting a fuller picture of the wallet's overall value and the diversity of holdings. For those of you looking to dive even deeper, EtherScan allows you to explore detailed information on virtually any listed transaction or token. Simply click on any specific transaction or token within the wallet overview or the token holding section. This action will take you to a new page where you can view unique details like transfer history, current holders, and contract information. It's an accessible way to see exactly where funds are moving to and from, as well as gather intelligence on token dynamics. By the end of this tutorial,